Hello?
No,
Did you
sir.
see my computer screen?
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, we are already finished the digital logic design, right? Yes or no? So, in Sumit Aura book, there are also one parts here, they are like the convert to the AND gate to the NOR gate, etc. Right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, actually, so that part is not part your syllabus. That part is not part your syllabus. So, I skip that part. Okay. That is not part your
Okay, sir. No
syllabus.
problem.
Hmm?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why
Okay, sir.
that's
No
why
problem.
I skip that pass. So you can, okay, you can easily convert it. You can easily convert AND gate to NOR gate using the De Morgan theorem. You can easily convert it, right? AND gate, NAND gate to the AND gate. You can easily convert it. NAND gate, what is a NAND gate? NAND gate is same as the non AND gate, na? NAND gate is
Yes,
same
sir.
as the AND gate, but at first I'm using the AND gate, then I'm convert to the NOT gate, that is called the NAND gate, right? That is called the NAND gate.
Nine hundred.
I'm already discussed that all the gate, right? I'm already discussed all the gate in previous session. I'm
Yes,
already
sir.
discussed all the gates. Okay, so today I cannot repeat it. So today I have discussed some question answer about that chapter. Okay, some short question answer about that chapter. And did you understand about the previous class, the De Morgan theorem? De Morgan theorem is a very important theorem. Try to understand. De Morgan theorem is a very important theorem. Okay. Did you understand the De Morgan theorem? When you're
I
talking
cannot. If
about, when you're
I cannot
talking,
tell properly because
why?
so because my network was doing problem, so I listened the class from first end,
But
but in the middle I was not there.
that's the you are telling also the answer, na?
Yes,
You
sir.
are telling
I
answer
can do
also.
anything. Yes, I can do anything. But the second law of the complementation, then you done, then I cannot see
No, no.
anything. Miss your
In
topic.
okay, okay. So you cannot understand. Okay, no problems. Uh, Indrajit, Udit, and Aranya. Indrajit, Udit, and Aranya. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me if you not understand. Then I'm explaining that part because this is a very important. Because it is
Sir,
a very important.
a little confusion was there.
Sir, your sound is cutting down continuously.
Okay, some confusion are there. Okay, and Udit, did you understand it? Udit Prasad.
Yes, sir, but
Okay, some confusion are
yes,
there.
sir,
So
not full.
Yes, sir,
okay,
continuously cutting.
no problem. In 10 minutes, I'm again discuss that part. In 10 minutes, I'm again discuss this part. Okay, just a minute. I'm open the Jamboard. Just a minute. Just I'm connect my writing pad. I'm connecting my writing pad. Okay, I'm connecting. Okay, so coming to the De Morgan theorem. Okay, so De Morgan theorem is a very important theorem in the digital logic design. Okay, in this chapter. Okay, did you know about the Seven's laws of theorem? That's the I'm already discussed it, na? So using
Yes, sir.
that here in this De Morgan theorem, here I am applying that theorem when I prove that De Morgan law. Okay, did you understand what I'm saying? When I prove the De Morgan law, then I'm applying that all seven's laws of theorem. Okay, what is the name? Like the your associative laws, observation laws, distribution laws. Here,
Distributive law.
yeah, yes, here I am applying it. Okay. Now coming to the De Morgan theorem, please try to understand very carefully. Okay, those students who have not understand, some confusion are there you're telling, so that's why I explain that part. So De Morgan theorem, right? So we speak about the De Morgan theorem. We have two different De Morgan theorems. Okay, so we have two different De Morgan theorems are there. Try to understand. So we have two De Morgan, first and second one. So we have two different De Morgan theorem are there. So at first we will be discuss the first, then we will be discuss the second one. So let me start first one. If you understand this, theorem, I think you will be able to understand everything in this chapter. Okay, so what is my the first theorem? What is my the first theorem? What is my the first theorem? Okay, this is my the first De Morgan theorem. This is my the first De Morgan theorem. So what is that? X plus y whole dash, x plus y whole dash equal to x dash and y dash. This is my the first De Morgan theorem. Okay, x plus y dash equal to x dash into y dash. Try to understand. Okay, this is my the De Morgan theorem. Okay, so how can I represent as a diagram? How can I represent? So plus means which gate? Please tell me. Plus means which gate?
So OR gate.
Plus means OR gate. So now we can see I am draw the OR gate. I have two input x and y. I have two input the x and y. Did you see this screen? Did you see this? See that? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So x and y. So when I given the two input x and y in OR gate, then what is my output? Obviously my output is the x plus y, right? Yes or no? Obviously my
Yes.
output is the x plus y. Now this x plus y I have convert into the x plus y bar, x plus y bar. So how can I convert? Using that NOT gate I can convert. X bar means what? Suppose x plus y value is the 1, then x plus y value is the 0. Ulta ho jayega, right? If I talking about the x bar, suppose in x plus y value is the 0, then in x, if I talking about the x plus y bar, this is the 1. Okay, did you understand it? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we can see. So now when I given the two input x and y in OR gate, so my output is the x plus y. Now in this x plus y, I'm converting to the x plus y bar. So how can I convert? Using the NOT gate, I can convert x plus y to x plus y whole bar. Right? So this is the NOT gate symbol. This is the NOT gate symbol. Right? So this I convert the x plus y. Okay. So this diagram is the finish. Now coming to the right part. So right part, I have two input. Try to understand. I have two input. First is the x bar and y bar. So at first, this x bar I'm to convert into the x, and this y bar I am convert into the y. So how can I convert x bar to x? Using the NOT gate, we can convert it. So I have one input in NOT gate, x bar, then output is the x. Again, next is the y bar. I have one input in y bar, and I'm using pass this NOT gate, and output is the y. So now I have two input x and y. So into means which gate? Multiplexer means which gate?
And
Multiplication
gates.
means AND gate. So I have two input x and y. So these two input I am pass in this AND gate, and I am getting the output. Now, did you understand this diagram?
Sir, I have one confusion. I have one question.
Yes, tell.
So once open that one.
Wait. Yes, tell. What is
Sir,
your confusion?
yes, sir. Your law was x plus y complement equal to x complement into y complement. Okay.
Yes.
This was the law which you
Not
highlighted.
complement, that is called the bar. X bar.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
bar. Okay, sir, bar. Yes, sir. This was your law, sir. But here, when you are getting your final result, why it is coming in the form of only x and y? Why not x bar and y bar? When you passing in the
Why?
last step, when you passing x and y by AND gate, you are getting x into y only.
Yes. Then output. Then my output is the what? My output is the what? X into y. Okay.
Y.
X into
Yes, sir.
y. Okay. Try to understand.
But in the answer,
Try to understand. That is my the output. Okay. That is my the output. So I want to convert this x bar and y bar into the x and y. Did you understand? I want to convert it. Okay.
so but
Because-
why we are converting? Because we are needed
Because
x
no
bar
no
from bar.
because wait because x bar and y bar we not directly given in the AND gate or OR gate. Okay. Bar means the
Okay,
what? Bar
sir.
means the not gate. Bar means the not gate. So this x bar and y bar we cannot directly getting in this our AND gate or not gate. Okay.
अच्छा sir.
That's why
Sir हिंदी में
at first we'll be converted, then we'll be applying the AND gate. Okay. Did you
हाँ सर
understand?
सर हिंदी में हम ये सर हम हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं कि जो एक्स बार है और जो वाई बार है उसको हम लोग डायरेक्टली एंड गेट में रख नहीं सकते,
नहीं
इसीलिए हम
नहीं
लोग को उसको कन्वर्ट करके वो फॉर्म में रखना पड़ेगा.
पहले हमने कन्वर्ट किया, then we are implement to the
हाँ
AND
सर.
gate. Okay.
थैंक यू सर. गॉट इट. थैंक यू सर.
Did you understand?
हाँ सर.
Okay.
हाँ सर समझ गया.
Next is the now I am tried to prove it. Now I am tried to prove it. Okay, I'm at first I'm erase the all the part. Then I'm writing it. Just a minute. Clear frame, na? Clear frame. If I clear frame, yes, all are the clear. Okay, now please need to observe here, please. What is my De Morgan theorem? What is my first De Morgan theorem?
X plus y bar
plus
equal to
y
x
bar
bar
equal to
X
x bar into
y bar. Y bar.
Now I want to prove that law, but in this time I'm not using the truth table. In this time I'm not using the truth table. With using the truth table we cannot prove it. In this time I am applying that Seven's laws of theorem. Then I want to prove that law. Then I am to prove that law or that this theorem. Did you understand? In this time I'm not using the truth table. In this time I am using that 7 laws of theorem, and using that 7 laws of theorem I want to prove this theorem. Did you understand it? Did you understand?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now when I prove this theorem, here I am to prove this theorem, we need to remember and we need to apply the law. That law is called the complementary law. Did you know about the complementary law? Complementary
Yes, sir.
law, we have respect of the complementary law, we have 2 laws are there. So here I am applying the complementary law and I'm trying to prove that law. So what is the first complementary law? First complementary law is the P plus P bar equal to 1, and second complementary law is the P into P bar equal to 0.
Equal to 0.
That is the complementary law. So using this complementary law, I want to prove that law. Okay. So at first I am applying here. At first this first complementary law I'm applying this theorem. Then I'm applying. So I am to divide the 2 parts. I am to divide the 2 parts when I prove that. So at first applying this law and applying then I am applying this second complementary law. So what is my first complementary law? P plus P bar equal to 1. Please tell me, if I apply this first complementary law, then what is my first part? What is my first part are there? Please tell. What is my first
मतलब
part?
समझ नहीं आया. First part मतलब अच्छा x bar x plus y ये वाला.
I am this is my first De Morgan theorem, na? This is my first De Morgan theorem, right? Now when I try to prove this theorem, I am applying the complementary law. Okay, we know that 2 complementary law are there, right? 2 complementary law are there. This is the first, P plus P bar is equal to 0, 1, and P into P bar equal to 0. So at first I am applying this first complementary law in this theorem. So if I apply this first complementary law, then what is my output? Udit, Isa, please tell.
Yes.
If I apply this first complementary law,
Sir, x plus y bar equal to 0. नहीं.
x plus y bar equal to 0.
नहीं
Arey,
sir.
P plus P bar. I'm applying this law here, right? So that means this part is the P and this part is the P bar. This part is the P and this part is the P bar. So if I applying this law, then what is my output? If I applying this law, then output is the what? X plus Y plus X bar and Y bar equal to 1. Did you understand? Did you understand? हेलो
नहीं सर समझ नहीं आया कैसे हुआ.
अरे मैं ये यहाँ पर मैंने फास्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ का अप्लाई किया इस दिस थ्योरम में. व्हाट इज माय द फास्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ? माय फास्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ इज द p plus p bar equal to 1. This is my the fast. Did you know about the fast complementary law? Did you know?
Yes sir, law of complementation.
Yeah, this is my the fast complementary law. So this fast complementary law I am applying in this theorem. I'm applying in this theorem. That means what? That means this is the p part and this is the p bar part. Did you understand? This is the p part and this is the p bar part. Okay, now did you understand? Now did you understand?
Yes
Now
sir.
did you understand? So ये आपका p का पार्ट है और ये आपका p बार का पार्ट है. ये जो है ना ये आपका p का पार्ट है, राइट? एंड ये जो है आपका p बार का पार्ट है. So ये p है and ये p बार है. Now, if you are applying this theorem, if you are applying this law in this theorem, that means what? This is a p. That means x plus y plus p bar, x dash and y dash equal to 1. Did you understand or not? Please tell me.
Yes sir, yes.
Did you understand? Did you understand? Hello?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand? Again, I'm asking to you. Did you understand? Okay. Now coming to the second part. Coming to the second part. So why I'm write the second part? Because you can see in this complementary, I have two complementary law, na? Huh? Rishabh?
Yes sir, two complementary law.
I have two complementary law. So that's why this second part I am applying here. So second complementary law, again I am applying this. Applying here. And output is right in the second part. So what is my second complementary law? P into p bar equal to 0. That means this is the p part and this is the p bar part. So here I am write key x plus y into x dash and y dash equal to 0. This is my second part. Did you understand?
Yes
So
yes sir.
in this two complementary law, I am applying in this theorem. Now I want to prove. At first, I proved that first part, and then I prove that second part. So how can I prove that part? So here plus means I want to convert into the multiplexation. Plus means this plus I want to convert into the multiplexation, and I multiply x plus y in y into x bar and y bar. So if I multiply that, what is my answer? That x plus y plus x bar, okay, into x plus y plus y bar. Okay. Now here you can ask me. Now I'm erase that part. Okay, I'm erase that part. After that, prove it. Okay. Now your question is that how can I get that? Here I am applying the which law? The second distribution law. Here I am applying the second distribution law. So what is my second distribution law? Second distribution law is the what? Reference is the second distribution law. What is the second distribution law? Second distribution law is the x plus yz equal to what? Equal to x plus y and x plus z. This is the second distribution law, and this law I am applying here, and I get that. Did you understand? Hello? Did you understand or not? Please tell me.
Yes sir.
Understand na? Here I'm applying the what? Applying the x plus yz, this second distribution law. This second I'm applying, it is the second distribution law. I'm applying this law in this part. Okay, so if I applying this part, then what is that means what this is the x part. Try to understand. Try to understand. This is the x part. This is the x part, and this is the y z part. Y z part. Okay, did you understand? This is the x part, and this is the y z part. And if we are applying this, so what is your answer? X plus y into x plus z. So same here I'm applying. This is the x and this is the yz. So at plus I write the x plus x bar, x plus y. That means x plus y plus x bar. And again I'm write the what? X. This is the x part. So I'm write x plus y plus z. That means z means the y bar. Did you understand? Did you understand or not? Please tell me. Clear हुआ? Clear हुआ? Hello?
Yes, sir.
क्लियरली बोलो ना इंद्रजीत अन्य अरण्य उदित ऋषभ क्लियर
Yes, sir.
क्लियर ना
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
previous day also say ki sir yes I understand now. Okay, so I'm applying this second distribution law. Now coming to the next part. Okay, now here, so I can write this type ki x plus y plus x bar. I can write, so both are same na, yes or no? Are both are same na? X plus y,
Yes, sir.
x plus y plus x bar, both are same na, so I can write x plus
Same,
y plus
same.
x bar. So same as here I can also write the x plus y bar, right? Now I rearrange that part. X plus x bar plus y. Here you can see I'm rearrange that, and here I'm write key y plus y bar plus x. I'm rearrange that. Okay. यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया? मैंने rearrange किया, right? Now again I am applying the first complementary law. What is my the first complementary law? P plus p bar equal to 1. P plus p bar equal to 1. This is my the first complementary law, and this first complementary law I am applying here. So dear students, you can need to observe it. X plus x bar means what? X plus x bar, that means p
1.
plus p bar. Yes, very good.
1 plus y
One.
and 1 plus x.
1 plus y into y plus y bar, that means this is the 1. That means here I am applying the
1
p
plus
plus
x.
p bar, first complementary law. That means 1 plus x. Now again I am applying the which law? I am applying the properties of the 0 and 1. Properties of the 0 and 1. And I'm applying the properties of the 0 and 1. What is the second law of about the properties of the 0 and 1? You can see, check it. What is the second law? 1 plus x is equal to 1, na? 1 plus x is equal to 1. That means 1 plus p equal to 1, right? So that means y is the p and x is also p according to our law. So what is my answer? The answer is the 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this law is the proved. This law is the proved. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? So using that 7 laws of theorem, here I'm applying that and I'm trying to prove it, that first part. Did you understand? Any
सर
doubt?
सर देखने से तो 3 लॉ लगा. देखने से तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन और आपका 0 and 1 3 लॉ.
Yes, in this time I am applying the three law. Distribution second law, then first complementary law, and second
And
properties of the 0 and 1. Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now I am
Yes, sir.
coming to the second part. So what is the second part? This is the second part. Okay, at first I'm clear that part. So what is my second part? My second part is what? Second part is what? Please tell me, what is my second part? X plus y into x bar and y bar, right? This is my second part, na? Equal to 0. This is my second part, na?
Yes.
This is my the law. This is my the De Morgan theorem, and here I am applying the second complementary law. So if we are applying the second complementary law, what is the second part? Second part is what? X plus y into y dash, x dash and y dash equal to 0. Na? Yes or no? If I applying this law in this theorem, Rishabh?
हाँ
हेलो,
सर.
समझ में
हाँ
आया?
सर.
ये सेकंड पार्ट है ना
हाँ
मेरा?
समझ में आया.
Okay.
हाँ सेकंड पार्ट.
Yes. So this is my the second part. Now I want to prove that law again.
सर 1 मिनट सामने वाले पेज में जाइए. 1 मिनट.
Yes.
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले पाए.
वही तो बोल रहे थे कि नोट डाउन करो. Without note down, how can you understand it?
हाँ सर स्क्रीनशॉट ले.
Okay. Now this is my the second part. Here I'm write the second part. Okay, second part. So what is second part? This is the second part. So how can I prove it? So here I'm applying the associative law. I'm take the reference about the associative law. Okay. Do you know what is the associative law?
Yes sir.
Do you know about the associative law? In the associative law, two laws are there. So I am applying the second associative law. I'm applying the second associative law. So I'm take a reference about the second associative law. What is the second associative law? Second associative law is the x into yz equal to xy z. Okay. Okay. So that means what? That means that means x plus y. It is your x part. It is your x part, and it is your yz part. It is your yz part. Now, please tell me what is the now what is the input outputs are there? So if I applying this law in this theorem in this second part, Rishabh, please tell. Rishabh, hello, Rishabh, please tell me fast. Hello. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
The network problem sir.
You are facing the network problem.
Sir not getting sound sir.
Hello. Yes, please tell me. Or tell me what is the if I applying that. So what is my answer? What is my answer? If I applying this observation second law, then sorry, this associative second law, then what is my answer? Who can tell? Tell me first. That's day I'm already discussed it. That's day I'm already discussed.
X plus y into x bar into y bar.
X plus what? X plus y into x bar and
into x bar
what?
Into y bar.
Yes. So this is yes. Tell me. And so this is your x bar na, and this is your yz part na. This is yz part na. Try to understand. This is your x part and this is your yz part. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes. So
yes, sir.
What is my x part? X part is the this one and yz part is the this one. So if I applying that, so what is my answer? Answer is the x plus y into x dash y dash plus x dash y dash. Just a minute. Next is the what? Next is the x plus y into x dash and y dash. Okay. This is my what? This is my the, when I applying that, so this is my the output. Did you understand it? Did you understand it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, till now,
sir.
till now, I'm not take this reference. Till now, okay, sorry. Till now, I'm not take this reference. Because why? Because I am multiplying that part. X plus y multiply by x bar and y bar. So if you multiply that, so that is your answer now. If you multiply that, x plus y into x bar y bar plus x plus y, x bar and y bar. That is your answer. Yes or no? Hello? If you multiply that,
Yes, sir.
that is your answer. Now I am take the associative law reference. Now I am take the associative law reference. So if I take the associative law reference, so what is my answer? So my answer is the what? X bar y bar into x plus x bar y bar into y. Okay? Did you understand that? Did you understand? Hello? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here I am rearrange that part. Now I am rearrange that part. So this is the y. So I'm rearrange that part. X bar into x into y bar and y bar into y into x bar. Now I rearrange that part. Okay. Now I am rearrange that part. So here I am take the reference of what? The second complementary law. What is my second complementary law? P into P bar equal to 0. So if I can see, that means the P and this is the P bar and P, that means the 0 y bar plus 0 x bar. So when you apply, so when you multiplex it in the zeros, that means the 0. So now our law is the
Proved.
proved. Our law is the proved. Okay. Did you understand? Did you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Okay.
understand.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So this is so. So now our second part is also proved. Now our second part is also proved. Now please tell me any doubt? In doubt about the first De Morgan theorem? Any doubt about the first De Morgan theorem? Please tell me. Did you have any doubt about the first De Morgan
No,
theorem?
sir.
No doubt, na? Arya,
No, sir.
Arya, Aranya, Udit, Indrajit.
No, sir.
No doubt,
Sir,
na?
Arya
Please.
left the school.
Arya left the school. When?
Yes, sir. Sir, many
When?
days happened.
Okay. So
15
Aranya
to
is there,
20
na?
days before.
Okay. Aranya, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So little mistakes are there. Here I'm applying the, just a minute. Little mistakes are there. So here I'm applying the first associative law. No, not second. Okay. Here I'm applying the first associative law. What is the first associative law? First associative law is the x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. Okay. Here I'm applying this law. Try to understand. Here I am applying this law. Okay. Hello. Did you understand? I'm applying the first associative law. Okay. Hello. Did you understand or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Here I'm applying the first associative law. Now coming to the next De Morgan theorem. So this is my next De Morgan theorem, the second De Morgan theorem. You can see what is my the second De Morgan theorem. The second De Morgan theorem is the what? Is the x into y whole bar equal to x dash and y dash. Try to understand. X plus x into y whole bar equal to x dash plus y dash. This is my the first De Morgan theorem. Okay. Now I'm draw the diagram. So x plus y dash. So at first I have two input x and y. X and y I have two input in this AND gate. Okay. So then what? Then when I getting the two inputs, then my output is the x into y. Into means the AND gate we know. Now how can I convert this x into y to x bar? Obviously I'm using the AND NOT gate. Using the NOT gate, I'm converting into the x into y bar. Next is the what? Next is I have two input.
टाइम
No,
पर हो
time
गया
hone do. At first I finished that part. Today I finished that part. Because tomorrow in yesterday class I'm already discussed that part because we say ki I can understand, that's why I'm again discuss that part. Okay, so here you can see the second part is the what? Second part is the x bar plus y bar. So I have two input x and y and the NOT gates are there. Then what? Then using this NOT gate I'm convert to the x into x bar and y to the y bar. Did you understand? Now plus means the which gate? Plus means the OR gate, na? Plus means the OR gate, na? Tell me, plus means the which gate? Rishabh? Hello? Rishabh?
Sir, OR gate.
सर प्लस मीन और गेट सर हूं सर
Plus means the OR gate. So now using the OR gate, then I'm getting that. So did you understand the diagram? Did you understand that diagram? Hello? Did you understand that diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the law. So this is the law. So how can I prove it? Same again I'm applying the complementary law. Same again I'm applying the which law? I'm applying the complementary law. Okay. So this is my the second De Morgan theorem. So what is my we know there are two complementary law are there. P plus P bar equal to 1 and P into P bar equal to 0. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Kya hua? Why you are silent?
Yes, sir.
Try to understand at first. Try to understand. This is very important. I'm again telling. This is very important.
सर दिमाग खराब हो गया सर 12 बजे रिजल्ट है सर 12 बजे
किसका
रिजल्ट है
result?
हम लोग का
Result means किसका result?
सुन के ही हो गया सर क्लास 10 का वो
No
रिजल्ट
problem. All are pass. No problems are there.
पास होने से है सर
अब सर पास हो गए और 46% मिल गया तो क्या फायदा?
हाँ क्या फायदा होगा सब मारेगा नहीं घर में पकड़ के
I think Rishabh will be getting the good marks. I think.
नो सर 50% मिल जाएगा
अरे
तो
प्रिंसिपल सर क्लास में आया था आज हम लोग क्लास में
हाँ
कब आया था?
हाँ सर आया था
कब आया था?
थोड़ा देर आगे
अच्छा कब?
थोड़ा देर आगे
कब तक?
अभी 10-15 मिनट
Okay.
15 मिनट था
Okay. So now we can see P into P bar, right? So here I'm applying the P plus P bar, the first complementary law. Right? Try to understand. Here I'm applying the first complementary law. So if I applying the first complementary law, then I am getting that, right? I'm getting this. Yes or no? This part, that means this part is the P and this part is the P bar. So I'm right key, so I can write key x y plus x bar plus y bar. Yes or no? Please tell me. समझ में आया? Did you understand?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
did you understand? हाँ?
यस सर अंडरस्टैंड हाँ सर सब अंडरस्टैंड
Okay. Then I am take the reference. So which law I am taking? Which law? This is the which law? Huh? Hello? Which laws are there? I am taking the reference here. Please tell me. Hello?
Sir, properties of one.
Who can tell? Please tell. Are here this law. What is that law? What is the name of that law? What is the name of the law? x plus
Distributive
x
law.
plus y. Which distribution law? Which distribution law?
Second.
Yes, the second distributed law. Here I am taking the second distribution law. Okay, did you understand?
Okay.
Which
Yes,
law?
sir.
I'm taking the second distribution law. So this second distribution law I am applying here. So when I'm applying that means that is the x part, and this is the x, this is the yz part. Okay, no, sorry. No, at first I rearrange that. So I can rearrange. So I can write here now. I can write key x plus y bar plus yz. So I'm rearrange that. So this is the x part, and this is the yz part. This is the x part, and this is the yz part. So I can write x plus y. That means I can write x plus y bar plus x. Again, I also write x plus y plus y. Did you understand that? Did you understand?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I'm taking the reference. I am applying this law here. And I getting that. Did you understand or not? Please tell me. अरे समझ में आया? फ्रैंकली बोलो ना कि समझ में आया कि नहीं आया सर? समझ में आया ना?
हाँ सर, समझ में आ गया.
देखो ये वाला एक्स पार्ट है ना, और ये वाला वाई जेड पार्ट है इसका. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ ये वाला एक्स पार्ट है, ये वाला वाई जेड पार्ट है. ओके, ये वाला एक्स पार्ट है, ये वाला वाई जेड. सो आप अगर इसको अप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा? x plus y. So that means x means x. This is the x plus y. That means this is the x plus y, right? Plus y. So this is x means the y. So I'm right ki x into again I'm write the x. So this is the x plus y, x bar plus y bar plus y. समझ में आया? Hello?
हाँ सर, आ गया.
So in this line, I'm rearrange that part. So rearrange means here I'm right ki at pass
Group club कर लिया आप.
yes, then x bar, then y bar. I'm rearrange. Okay, I'm rearrange that. So then I'm taking the reference. P, which law of reference? I'm taking the first complementary law. So what is my first complementary law? My first complementary law is the P plus P bar equal to 1. P plus P bar equal to P plus P bar equal to 1. That means this is the P and this is the P bar. So this is the 1 plus y bar, again 1 plus x bar. Then I taken the reference properties of the 0 and 1 first law. What is the properties of 0, 1 first law? 0, 1 first second law is the x plus 1 equal to 1, right? So that means 1 plus y bar is the same as that. 1 plus y, that's 1, and 1 plus y bar is also 1. So then 1 into 1 equal to 1. So our law is proved. Did you understand? Or not? Please tell me. Arna, Udit, Rishabh,
Yes sir. सर आप छुट्टी दीजिए. टिफिन करेंगे. फिर 11 बजे क्लास शुरू होगा.
अरे क्लास में रहो तो टेंशन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है ना? रिजल्ट है, क्लास में रहो तो टेंशन नहीं आएगा. ओके. अरे कौन क्लास से लेफ्ट लिया? उदित लेफ्ट लिया क्या क्लास से? Why without my permission they left the class? Okay, again the coming. Okay, second which theorem? I'm also forget that. Okay, the second De Morgan theorem, the first part. Did you understand? The second De Morgan theorem? Please tell me. Did you understand? Any doubt? Any point?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Please
Till now,
note down.
no doubt.
Please note down or take a screenshot. After the class, please revise that part. Then you can easily, you cannot forget. Then you cannot forget it. After the class, you revise that part. Okay. Then coming to the second part, dear student, coming to the second part. What is my second part? So I'm applying the second complementary law in the second De Morgan theorem. Okay. I'm applying the second complementary law in the second De Morgan theorem. So you apply the second complementary law in my second De Morgan theorem. Then what is my answer? Answer is the x into y into x bar plus y bar equal to 0. Yes. That means this is a p and p bar. So I'm right at first I write the p x into y. So I'm right key x, yes, x into y. This is a p part, and p bar part is the x bar and y bar equal to 0. Did you understand that? Please tell me yes or no. Did you understand?
Yes,
सर
sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay.
सर नो साउंड.
Yes, sir.
नहीं बाकी को तो साउंड आ रहे. तुमको क्यों नहीं साउंड आ रहे? बाकी को तो साउंड आ रहे क्लियरली। अरे खत्म हो गया,
Sound is cutting continuously.
खत्म हो गया, राइट? खत्म हो गया, जस्ट दिस पार्ट, देन आई फिनिश माय क्लास। Okay, so this is my the second part. This is my the second part. Okay, and here I am applying the what? Here I am applying the which theorem? Again, I am applying the second distribution law. Again, I am applying the second distribution law. So this is the x part and this is the y plus z part. This is the x part and this is the y plus z. Here I am applying the distribution law. And if we are applying that, then what is the answer? X, y. That means x part is the what? xy into xy into x bar plus what? Plus xy into y bar. Did you understand? Did you understand that? Please tell me, did you understand that? Hello? उदित समझ में
sir.
आया? अरण्य समझ में आया?
हाँ, sir.
कौन सा मैंने यहाँ पर अप्लाई किया? डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ का फर्स्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ इधर मैंने
Second.
अप्लाई किया, राइट?
Yes, sir.
It is the second, no, first.
No, sir.
It is the first.
That
It is the
was
first. It is the
Yes,
first
sir.
distribution law. It is the first distribution law. Previous time I applying the second distribution law. It is the first distribution law.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'm getting that. Then here I can see I'm rearrange that. Yeah, I'm rearrange that part. Okay. So x, y, x bar equal to I can write x into x bar into y. I can write na. Both are same, right? Both are same. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So again here I'm applying the second complementary law. So P into P bar equal to what? P into P bar equal to 0. That means X into X bar equal to 0 into Y and Y into Y bar equal to 0 into Y. Then if you multiply 0 into Y, आप 0 के साथ कोई multiply करोगे क्या होगा? उसका आंसर obviously 0 आएगा, right? So 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So our law is the proof. Right? Did you understand that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया सबको? बोलो।
हाँ सर।